In the last class, we were discussing about factors and multiples. So, let us discuss about some of the problems under factors and multiples. The first question is, circle the multiples of 4 with blue color, cross the multiples of 6 with red color, and underline the multiples of 9 with a pencil. So, let us understand what is factor and what is multiple. For example, there is a table, that is 2 into 3 is 6. 2 3s are 6. So, here 2 and 3 are factors and 6 is multiple. Like that, they have asked multiples of 4, multiples of 6 and multiples of 9. So, here in the table, they have given the numbers from 1 to 100. Now, let us list out. The multiples of 4 are 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40, 44, 48, 52, 56, 60, 64, 68, 72, 76. Like that it goes on until 100. You can see on the screen. And multiples of 6 are 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60, 66, 72, 78, 84, 90 and 96. And multiples of 6 are 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81, 90 and 99. So the second question is, circle the multiples of 7 in the following numbers. So here they have given different numbers. These different numbers are 7, 13, 14, 21, 22, 35, 36, 42 and 45. Here 7 is the multiple of 7 and 14 is the multiple, 21 is another multiple, 35 is another multiple and 42 is another multiple. Therefore, 7 has 5 multiples inside these numbers. Fourth question is, write the multiples of 2 between the numbers 50 and 60. So between 50 and 60, what are the multiples of 2? That is 52, 54, 56, 58. These are all the multiples of 2. So write the multiples of 15 between the numbers 50 and 100. That is, the multiples of 15 between 50 and 100 are 15 4s are 60, 15 5s are 75, 15 6s are 90. These are the multiples of 15 between 50 and 100. So, sixth question is, write 5 multiples of the following numbers. The answer is the multiples of 5. The 5 multiples of 15 and 5 multiples of 17, 5 multiples of 19 and 5 multiples of 23. So, the multiples of 15 are 15, 30, 45, 60 and 75. And the multiples of 17 are 17, 34, 51, 68 and 85. And the multiples of 19 are 19, 38, 57, 76 and 95. 76 and 95. And multiples of 23 are 23, 46, 69, 92 and 115. How it is possible? Let us see. 15 ones are 15, 15 twos are 30, 15 threes are 45, 15 fours are 60 and 15 fives are 75. And here 17 ones are 17, 17 twos are 34, 17 threes are 51, 17 fours are 68, 17 fives are 85. And here 23 ones are 23, 23 twos are 46, 23 threes are 69, 23 fours are 92, 23 fives are 115. And for 19, 19 ones are 19, 19 twos are 38, 19 threes are 57, 19 fours are 76, 19 fives are 95. So the seventh question is, find which of the following numbers are the factors of 24. Now they have asked the factors. Until now they were asking multiples. Now they are asking factors. So the factors of 24. Here they have given different numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22 and 24. So the answer is, the factors of 24 is 1, 2, 1 into 24 is 24, 2 into 12 is 24, so 2 is the factor. 3 8s is 24, that's why 3 is factor. 4 6 are 24, that's why 4 is factor. 6 4s are 24, that's why 6 is factor. 8 3s are 24, that's why 8 is factor. 12 2s are 24, that's why 12 is the factor. 24 1s are 24, that's why 24 is the factor. Eighth question. Write any two factors of the following numbers. The numbers are 6, 18, 28, 36, 42 and 48. The factors of 6 are 2 and 3. The factors of 28 are 2 and 14. The factors of 42 are 2 and 21. The factors of 18 are 2 and 9. The factors of 36 are 3 and 12. The factors of 48 are 2 and 24. So if you multiply these factors with each other, you get the number. So question 9 is, write all the factors of the following numbers. The numbers are 9, 13, 20, 26 and 40. So all the factors of 9 are 1, 3 and 9. How? 1 into 9 is 9, 3 into 3 is 9, 9 into 1 is 9. The factors of 13 are 1 and 13. Other than 1 and 13, there are no factors for 13. And factors of 20 are 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 and 20. How? 1 into 20 is 20, 2 into 10 is 20, 4 into 5 is 20, 5 into 4 is 20, 10 into 2 is 20 and 20 into 1 is 20. Therefore, the factors of 26 are 1, 2, 13 and 26. How? 1 into 26 is 26, 2 into 13 is 26, 13 into 2 is 26, 26 into 1 is 26. All the factors of 40 are 1, 2, 4, 5, 8, 10, 20 and 40. If you multiply these factors with each other, you will get the number. Question 10. Write the factor tree for the following numbers. The factor tree for the following numbers are 6. For 12 there are 6 and 2. So 6 2s are 12. And therefore for 6, 3 and 2 are the factors. 3 into 2 is 6. And for 20, what are all the factors? 5 and 4 are the factors, and for 4 2 and 2 are the factors. For 28 7 and 4 are the factors, and for 4 2 is the factor, 2 and 2. For 32 8 and 4 are the factors, for 8 4 and 2 are the factors, and for 4 2 and 2 are the factors. And 36 has two factors, that is 12 and 3, and 12 has two factors, that is 4 and 3, and 4 has two factors, that is 2 and 2. So we have to complete the factor tree by writing the missing numbers. So what are the missing numbers? So 40 has two factors. One factor is 12. What is another factor? 12 into 4 is 48. So 4 is the another factor. So 4 has two factors, that is 2 into 2. 2 into 2 is the factors of 4. And 12 has two factors, that is 4 into 3. 4 into 3 is the factor of 12. And 4 has two factors, that is 2 into 2. So here they have asked, they have not given the multiple, but they have given the factors. Let us find out the multiple of 2 and 3. 2 3s are 6. 4. You have to write 6 in the first circle, and 5 2s are 10, and 10 in the second circle. So if you multiply 6 and 10, you get 60. So in the top circle you have to write, so in the top circle you have to write 60. 6 into 10 is 60. So answer they have given here. Answer, you can see the answer. 48 has two factors, that is 12 and 4, and 12 has two factors, that is 4 and 3, and 4 has two factors, that is 2 and 2, and again 4 has two factors, that is 2 and 2. And in the top circle we have to write 60, and the second circle we have to write 6, and the third circle you have to write 10. This is the